The question is, what is lead generation in affiliate marketing? And what is email marketing in affiliate marketing? I'm going to explain that shortly here. So let's say this is me. This is me. And I have a lead generation software, that is an email marketing software. It's an email marketing software or an SMS marketing software or an SMS lead generation software. Okay, and I need customers. Yeah, so doing affiliate marketing, you need people you can promote to. Yeah, so the thing is, you can either get these people, these customers, through paid advertisement, for example with Facebook, or using free resources to acquire them. So let's just say by using this method, I acquired customers 1, customer 2, to customer, let's say 1000. 1000. That is through Facebook ads. And also using free method, I got customer, let's say 1001 to, let's say, 3000 customers. Alright, so these are 3000 customers that I can promote a certain product to. So this will be an affiliate product. Let's just say this is an affiliate product in the health and, let's just say, health and fitness niche. So it means people, who have problems or wishes to be acquired in the health and fitness niche, I can help them out with my products. So let's just say we have product A, product B, product C, D. Yeah, I got them all through ClickBank, for example, G and H. Okay, all right, so, and this is a company for which I might be promoting a product, let's say product P. If I didn't have this lead generating software, it means all the customers I will acquire will directly be led to this product. They get to enjoy the product, and this company, let's say this company here, can now sell other products to them. Let's say product RST can sell more products to them. But if I build a relationship between, that is, myself and the customers, I can sell different, or I can promote different products to them. Yeah, so it means in my health and fitness niche, I have different products, and this product, there we go, this is this product. Now I can sell this, I can promote this product to all these customers through an automated system. For example, this system will send 5, 10, 15 emails out within a given period, for example, within the next 5 months. Yeah, and this process will be fully automated. It means I don't have to do much. Everything has been set, and each and every customer, no matter what time they come, they will get product information in different intervals, or let's say stated intervals. So you can't do you Alright, before you do anything else, smash that like button. You can't do anything wrong in this case. You can only win. So let's say I have an automated system that sends email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, on all within a given period of, let's say, 1 to 120 days, for example. So it means I could decide to send them emails, and for this one product that I'm selling, I can send them emails and send them SMS as well. Alright, so now it means I can also sell this product as well to them. Yeah, keeping an awesome communication between myself, my products, and all these customers. So whatever this company does, that is none of my business. The most important part is that I keep an awesome communication and a beautiful customer relationship between myself and all these customers. So now for product B, I can sell, I can promote, let's say email 1 to 10. Yeah. This is actually securing my business. That also goes with this other product C. I can sell them or promote them to all these customers. In the meantime, I could still, because I'm generating money, making money, I can still do some more Facebook ads and get more customers. Let's say customer 4,000 to 6,000, because now I have more money. So using this software, you can only win. So this is a very, very, very crucial part in affiliate marketing. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a lead generating software. Yeah, it could be an email software, but this email software should help you in acquiring customer emails and customer telephone numbers. You can create WhatsApp groups, for example. Yeah. So that's it. I hope this is clear, and yeah. So let's get deeper, and I'll introduce you guys all to awesome lead generation tools. So the next question is, what is affiliate marketing? Easily explained. Let's just say this is you. You're a promoter. All you do is promote. That is practically affiliate marketing. Let's just say there's a retailer and is offering a product that solves a problem. Yeah, we have a problem and this product solves it. Yeah, so what you do as a promoter or an affiliate marketer is you go out and promote this product to different people on different platforms who have the same problem that this product here is solving. Right, so these are different people. Let's say customers. Subscribe and turn on your notification or leads. So this is this company or this retailer has product information, and you send these leads to the product information. When they purchase, you get a commission. Let's say, for example, 50% goes to you. That's all. That's affiliate marketing. Alright, and this is a very, very interesting business model because you don't need to come up with any idea. All you can do is pick different producers from a certain niche. Let's say health and fitness. You can pick so many of them. This could be one, this could be another one, this could be another one, and another one, and another one. And you can go promote all these products to your leads. Yeah. That is affiliate marketing. Alright, so if you got a ton of value from this video, consider subscribing, turning on your notification, dropping a comment, and smashing that like button.